Hey there, my name is Pepper. I'm so sorry to make you see all this mess. I just got no idea where to start to clean all these up, but my friends have some clues.
Hello, this is Jessica. Do you know how I got my spare time? Let me tell you. It is because this little pink cutie helps me clean the carpet. I think everybody knows how hard it is to clean the carpet. You know what I love about it the most? It can do all the vacuuming and mopping.
My name is Max, and you can tell that I don't feel like doing anything. As you can see, my buddy is working really hard here. With all 4 cleaning modes, every corner of my place is being taken good care of. It only sprinkles water while it is moving, and it does a good job protecting the floor.
Hi there, my name is Evan, and I have the smartest little buddy who's just like me. How smart? You'll see. It's capable of carrying so much with it. This little buddy is really smart. It plans the perfect cleaning path so it can always handle the cleaning tasks in less time.
Hi there, my name is Candy. I have one good helper at my place, and I see my hostess using it every day. This big, strong guy seems able to clean everywhere easily. It has the powerful suction to capture various trash, and the large amount of garbage it can carry really shocks me.
Oh, I see now. All my friends got good helpers. I'm the only one who doesn't got one. I know it's not too late to buy myself one. Good cleaning tool.